Welcome to the Gktech 350Z as in Zebra V35 and G35 rear traction arm install video. What do you get for your hard-earned dollar? A set of fully sick adjustable traction arms, as well as some dust boots. The bearings are PTFE lined, so you don't need to run them, but if you do, install them just like this, then slide that nut on. These also come with a set of instructions with lots of writing yelling at you in all caps, including minimum and maximum lengths. Let's talk install. This is the arm we are replacing in case you didn't know. To remove the old junk style arms from the car, start by removing the knuckle side traction arm nut and bolt, then the camber arm nut and bolt as well. This will make your life easier. Move on to the inner traction rod bolt and file a divorce on that thing because you finally had enough. Let's talk adjustment. The minimum safe adjustment is going to be 310 millimeters or 12.2 inches. Winding that out to our preferred starting point, aka OEM length, we're coming in at 332 millimeters or 13.07 inches. Now here's a side-by-side of OEM length versus minimum length. Neat, huh? Winding this thing out to maximum length, we're going to be coming in at 365 millimeters or 14.37 inches. Enough yapping, let's install. Starting from OEM length, install one of the inserts, then the arm, then the other insert, then the front bolt. Tighten those down and torque to these specs right here. Now fit the clevis side end to the knuckle, then install the traction arm nut and bolt. Finally, reinstall the camber arm, then the bolt and nut, then torque that Johnny down to these specs, as well as the traction arm bolt to these as well. Now I am saying this in all caps. Make sure the bearing is running central, not cocked to the left or to the right. Center. Now toss a wrench on the arm itself, tighten down those locking nuts, and my God, look at it in all its heavenly glory. These dudes are bloody awesome. Go check out some good times on YouTube, and remember, if you can't install this stuff, have a professional do it and reach out to us with any questions. This is Officer Dan, Johnny Caps, and Zach is in Gktech, catching you next time for another install.